Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a tour of Old Town San Diego. This should be pretty cool. I haven't been in Old Town in a long time, so it should be interesting to see if anything has changed or anything like that. So let's go check it out. Leather Depot. Check out the ore cart in the assayer's office. Miner's Gems. The Sealy Stable Museum. Unfortunately, they're not open because it is about 5 o'clock now, so it's a little late. It's kind of nice just to walk around here and take it all in, you know. This is really cool. Covered wagon over here. The Johnson House, foreign and domestic finery. Fancy goods haberdashery and millinery. West General Store. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Churros. This is so cool. Pottery shop. Some spices. So a nice little walking tour of Old Town. There we go, cigar shop. Cigar store Indian. Colorado House. That's nice. Oh man, look at that. Candy shop. Nice. Candle making shop. Wow, that is awesome. Dang. Printing office. Casa de Estudio Museum. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it from Old Town. If you like the video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more. And as always, thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time.